Hey, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today, I've got a quick and handy tutorial for you on how to convert a video to MP3 on an Android device. It's a simple process, so let's dive right in. First things first, open up the Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Video to MP3 Converter and hit the search button. Now, scroll down a bit and look for an app called Video to MP3 Converter, MP3 Tagger. This is the one we'll be using for today's tutorial. Of course, feel free to choose a different app if you have one in mind. Once you've found it, click on Install and wait for the app to download and install. Once it's done, you can close the Play Store. Now, open the app, and to convert a video, click on Choose File. Allow the app to access your photos, media, and files on your device by clicking Allow. Select the video you want to convert to MP3 and click on Convert. The app will do its magic, and in no time, your video will be converted to MP3. Once it's done, you've successfully converted a video to MP3 on your Android device. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.